Hey everybody, tonight we're going to do a Niagara Falls midnight walk. Hopefully it's not too spooky. Let's go. This is how you get to the Niagara Falls walk from the parking lot. There's the incline. Check out these daffodils here. They're all the way down. This is the way you get over the bridge. Here's the casino. There's the tower. And the Marriott's over here. Yeah, some of the stuff that we missed because we got here too late. A lot of cool stuff. Table Rock Restaurant. And that's where you go down to the falls, right over there. You can hear the roar of the Canadian Falls right in the background there. And check out all these tulips. The beautiful Niagara Falls. Look at that power. And this is all the Canadian side. That's where we had dinner at the tower over there. This is where the magic happens when the water actually comes in and flows into the falls here. There's a huge cloud of mist. Here's the actual water going over the falls. The water's going in. Right there, you can just hear it. You can see the intensity. There's a light that shines on the falls and it changes the colors. You can really see those colors. That's all glacial from ice melt. Of course, there's the American Falls. The one just to the right there, is White Whale Falls. And this is how you get out. That goes to the parking lot, which is right over there. And a nice look down the road. Nice rainy night here in Niagara Falls, Canada. I'm filming this back at the hotel because of the weather. Not the greatest filming conditions. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and that way you'll get notifications about my future content. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you in the next one.